installing the ChemPlus program on an Android tablet. This Android tablet already has Google Chrome installed as its web browser. Access Google Chrome and go into your email. Open up your email and click on User PFX. Click Download. Once it's downloaded, it asks you to type in the password. After you typed it in, click OK. In this window, just click OK. In the upper right hand corner, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on those 3 dots. You will scroll down to Settings. You will go to Site Settings. Where it says pop-ups blocked, you will tap on it and the switch over to your right, slide it to the right. Where it says pop-ups are blocked, when you slide it to the right, now you'll see pop-ups allowed. And the corresponding switch is on. Close this field out by clicking on pop-ups, clicking on pop-ups again, settings. Now you need to type in the website for ChemPlus. If you're a physician that utilizes more than one ChemPlus site, please continue to type in the following. And then hit Go or Enter. When you see this pop up, just click Allow. You will be at the ChemPlus website where you type in your 3-digit facility code. You will now need to add this to your home screen, and to do so, go back to the 3 dots on the upper right hand corner and click on it. Where it says Add to Home Screen, click on Add to Home Screen. Click Add. You'll see ChemPlus on your home screen. So when you click on it, it will go directly to the ChemPlus website. Please note, you will be able to utilize all aspects of the ChemPlus program, but your device is not supported by Adobe Flash, so you will not be able to view printable materials.